Hi guys, it's raining today, so it'll be indoor pursuits, and I'm going to show you how I make my favorite cocktail. And this is all you need. These are your ingredients. You have here your glass with ice. You have a citrus element. I tend to stick with the bitter ones, so I like to use the grapefruit and mostly mix with a bit of lime. You have a bitter alcohol here. My favorite is Campari, but you can also use Cynar or something similar. And I use a sparkling wine. This is a German organic sparkling wine, which you call sect. But you can use a Prosecco, you can use a champagne if you're really pushing the boat out, and that is all you need. Now, I tend to drink this as an aperitif because the bitter ingredients in the drink stimulate the liver into producing bile, which of course helps with digesting fats. And that is my excuse for having a couple of these before lunch or dinner. And the way to prepare it is quite simple. So you take your glass, you fill it to about a third with the alcohol, in this case Campari. Okay, maybe not quite a third. I'll leave it at that. And then you squeeze the juice. There's a lime galloping away, like so. No complicated machinery required. Just give it a squeeze and squeeze out as much of the fruit pulp as you can, so you don't just use the juice but also the actual flesh of the fruit. You can see it's all sort of coming out quite nicely. So we'll take one whole grapefruit. This is quite lucky. This is a really nice juicy one. Oh yes. Cool. This goes in. And we'll use I'm probably exaggerating a tiny bit using this massive knife. There we are. And plop in all that fruit pulp. So, and while I'm at it, to give it a bit of tang, I'm going to, let's see how juicy this thing is. I'm going to use either half a lime or the whole one. Oh yeah, that's plenty juicy. Fantastic. That should do. Right. Now all I need is my sparkling wine. And I fill this up. Great, that's already looking almost perfect. I think it needs a little bit of ice. Oh, let me just glug the rest of this bottle in. That's a nice fit. Excellent. I'm just going to get a bit more ice. And this is the finished product. If you want to be playful, you can put a slice of lime on top and stick a couple of umbrellas in and serve it with a bit of green stuff on top and a straw, and it'll be a perfect poolside drink. Or you can have a couple on your private jet on your way to New York to the theater. So it is a really nice, refreshing, but not very sweet drink, and it's yum. And you can have it for breakfast if you want to be decadent, with your Sunday brunch. It's a lunchtime aperitif. I tend to not drink it in the evening. There, as an aperitif, I just have a straightforward Campari and soda. But it's a lovely drink if you're just on your sunbed on your balcony. And this is it. It's really very straightforward. And as ever, thank you for watching.